Hello, my lovelies, and how are you? Today is another method of making turkey stew. I've shared different methods: smoked turkey, fresh turkey stew. Today I'll be frying my turkey. There's some days where you just want to have a different taste of what you're used to. So today I'm frying this turkey, and I just listed all I use in marinating my turkey, which is a fresh ginger paste, ginger and garlic paste, something very light. It's all listed from the beginning, as you can see. While I'm showing and demonstrating this cooking recipe to you, I'll do some ranting, and I hope you enjoy my ranting today. So, like people always say, the passion is what fuels a going business, and to an extent, I believe that is true. And also, that some business are born out of passion, and I agree. Just like my kitchen business, I enjoy cooking, but passion and business are two different things. Having a passion and having the ability to keep a business born out of a passion is a different thing. Anyway, how I started this business of mine is that I just enjoy cooking, and I cook for family, friends, my flatmates then that we're sharing flats with. So whenever I cook for her, maybe she's having a small get together family functions, the review are always mind blowing. But remember, when you're doing something as an hobby, it's a different ball game when you started making it as a business. So it is not the same people, the same set of people that patronize you, that comes to you to enjoy your cooking, that will actually be your customer. So be ready for disappointment. Be ready for people not supporting you, because that is not the goal getting. So anyway, this business of mine just started as a passion, and I started charging after probably like about 2 years. I said, okay, then let me make an extra income out of this. And before then, I read two lovely books. One of it is called Start With What You Have by Sam Adeyemi. If you've come across that book, or you haven't, as an entrepreneur, somebody that desired to have a business, it's a good book to read. To start, something to motivate you, very easy to read, very easy to digest. It's called Start With What You Have by Sam Adeyemi. Then another book I read was Rich Dad Poor Dad, which is an interesting book. It's a very common book. I'm sure a lot of people have heard about the book by Richard something. I can't really pronounce it. It's a kind of Asian name. Um, just just Google it, Rich Dad Poor Dad. I'm sure you're going to get it. So today's method, usually I always like to parboil my pepper before I do it. So I decide to have it in a different form, which I did not parboil. From blending it, I just fried it, and I had to reuse my oil. So which is also good. All the flavor added together. Just by watching this video, believe me, you're just going to get every information you need to make this delicious pot of stew. For fried turkey stew. So my guys, if you enjoy watching my video, do not forget to do this for me. This is an homework I always say. Just copy the link, put it on your WhatsApp status so that some of your friends can get to see it and also share. That is the way you can help me to grow this channel. And I do appreciate those two subscribers that joined last week. Let's keep it going. I appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. And I'm going to continue my ranting about how I started my business in my next video. See you again, guys. Bye. Bye for now. Take care. Bye bye. Have a lovely day.